What is going on, my friends? Vitai Dubin is here and welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. Big celebration for the crypto community as Ethereum finally merged to proof of stake blockchain after years of working on it, dreaming about it. It's now a reality, and today we're going to talk about what's the implication of that, how the price reacted, and I'm going to show you also why right now is the top 5 in the entire history opportunities to be buying Bitcoin, and of course Ethereum was the second brother. And other altcoins are pretty much in a very good spot right now. So ultrasound.money is a website that shows how Ethereum is ultrasound. You can see we merged successfully 9 hours ago, and already the supplies change since merge is minus 218.5 Ethereum, which means before the merge, you can see right here the supply was going up and higher. After the merge, the supply kind of stopped going up. The supply actually went down, and it's going to continue going down every single day from now. Thus, Ethereum officially became a deflationary currency, a deflationary money, with supply going lower every single day, every single week, month and year, because the burning with all the fees are outweighing the actual issuance of the staking rewards on a proof of stake chain. And on addition to that, of course, Ethereum has become officially 99.95% more energy efficient, as no more possible to mine Ethereum on the blockchain. Now, of course, it's a huge historic day for the crypto market today, September the 15th. After this drop of the total difficulty, it was no longer possible to mine. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, said, "We finalized, happy merge all." This is a big moment for the Ethereum ecosystem, and it is absolutely true. But the work has just begun. Look at this post. There are 5 phases to be able to process Ethereum 100,000 transactions per second. There is the merge, which we are right now. Then there is the surge, the verge, the purge, and the splurge. So there is a lot of work to be done. That is for sure, for Ethereum to go ahead and accomplish cheaper gas fees and scalability. We are far from it right now, but Buterin is excited to exit from the proof of work era, and the dream has been come true. How the price reacted on exchange? We actually dumped today for Ethereum pretty hard, going down by as much as 10% on the day, which pretty much a lot of savvy traders has been anticipating a sell the news event. When it happened finally, boom, a dump. Which is what may be opposite to what the logic would say, that we should pump on this day. But I also warn you guys, do not anticipate some crazy price appreciation towards this, as the effect of the merge event is going to be seen over the next few years and not now, right? There's a lot of work still yet, still expensive fees on Ethereum blockchain, still it's processing very low transactions, yeah, on the blockchain. So that is important to understand. But yeah, we are live with the proof of stake. Now everyone that has 32 Ethereum can stake it. Of course, they could stake it before to get a yield approximately 5% a year. Yeah. Now, looking at Ethereum W, the fork, which the miners essentially, they were looking for ways what to mine, and it turns out, yeah, unlike what essentially some people would say that this Ethereum W, you know, there will be supported. We are not rising that much. Ethereum W has went down from the 6th of September all the way from $50 to $25, and it's only 2% of the value of the Ethereum itself. So those holding for Ethereum and wanted to get free money, well, you just got 2% free money. And who is really pumping is Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic has absolutely amazing pump from July to today. We have 170% pump, and the price is holding right now pretty steady at around $37. So not much went down today, not much. We're talking about 5% overall. So Ethereum Classic is the one that is the original Ethereum, which just continues to go with the proof of mining. And those who had the machines, they need to plug them somewhere. They need to mine somewhere. So Ethereum Classic is what they are mining and earning rewards is the Ethereum Classic. So that's why we're seeing a surge of that. Also, Ergo Hash and Raven coin also soaring post-merge because they are essentially utilizing the mining rigs to mine it. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Primarily, not really something that is the end users would be feeling. Like if you had Ethereum and you use different application, you would still use the same way. Nothing really changed in a palpable way. It's just the entire mechanism underneath the hood is no longer with the mining, it's with the staking. But other than that, there is a lot of work still to do to scale up the Ethereum. But the community already celebrates. There is the song that is now being auctioned, NFT of the song of the official merge. Check it out.
And we dissed it in Taiwan. Too many mistakes. Slowly we moved on. And down by the lake with the beacons and chains in old Canada, where all of this was born, oh Canada. Rustic cottages were our home and all. We took all the chain and we turned it. We took all the fees and we burned it. Hey, Boomerang, I think we earned it. Oh.
Yeah, so that is the song that is being auctioned right now on Ethereum, and of course the NFTs continue to work, minting NFTs with the proof of stake era. Someone just paid 36 Ethereum in gas to mint this, the first minute NFT on proof of stake. Non-fungible Ethereum merge token, the transition. My God, oh my God, look at this difficulty. Yes, now FTX and Binance are the first exchanges to launch spot Ethereum W trading. I don't really see a big future for this Ethereum W. Everyone is going to go with the Ethereum after the merge and not this one. Now I want to talk about Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is currently trading below $20,000. And of course, everyone is screaming Bitcoin is going to go to below $10,000, etc. And unfortunately, the charts are not agreeing with that. The charts are saying different things, that we already bottomed, and the people that are screaming and waiting for the prices of Bitcoin to go at $10,000, they'll be the ones who'll be buying at $50,000. Why? Because at $30,000 they still will not believe it. At 40,000 they're like, it's going to go lower. After 50 to 60,000, that's when they will start buying, and they will miss the best opportunities to buy Bitcoin, right? If you miss the 2020 coronavirus crash, well, now you have an amazing chance. Why? Look at this monthly RSI. This clearly shows you, okay, that those things right here, this is our bear market. This is our bear market. This is our bear market. And this is our bull market. Bull market. Yeah. Bull market. Now all of this is part of the bull market as the momentum going up. Yeah. It's the momentum going up. This is all a bull market. And below is the bear market. Now when it really started pumping here, okay, is when this blue line started to be above the orange line. We started to get momentum, yeah, and it happened right here back in January 2019. You can see the first signs of it, and ever since the blue line was above, we're going up. We started gaining some momentum. We went down a little bit here, but we continue to new all-time highs, yeah. So looking at this, where we are right now, we are essentially at this blue line is above the orange line. Look at this. It's currently at 4, okay, on the stochastic RSI, on the momentum indicator on the monthly. And of course, when we are above 20, it's going to be the official start of the bull market. But this is the first sign. This is the first sign. The blue is above the orange right here, and we have a good chance that this blue is going to continue be above orange and repeat what's going to happen here. Okay, so we're going to, from here, we're going to be like in the next, what was December 2018 until July 2019. So we're talking about 8 months. Over the next 8 months, it's going to go up a bit, go down a bit, and then continue to create all-time high. When? Of course, 3 years from now. Yeah, so in 2025. So this is where I expect something like this to happen, to repeat. Bam, 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 right? And this is the danger zone. Look at how the look at how, if you don't follow this chart, oh my god, it's so easy to be euphoric. When we were in stochastic RSI at 100 level, at this level right here, it was so easy to be euphoric and think about the prices are going to continue staying like this forever. And it's also as equally important to recognize that and to sell for the profits during this area in time. Yeah, when we have a momentum shift, look at this momentum shift right here. When the blue line was below the orange, that was in March 2021. So those 2 months, look at this, the momentum started shifting to the downside, and then we saw a mega crash. Okay, so that's what's happening. Also, looking at the rainbow chart, you can see we are undeniable in the lowest points of the blue territory, and this is where the best Bitcoin prices are. It's in this blue line. Okay, when we are in the red or the orange, this is the top, right? This is the top. You don't want to be buying at the orange here. You want to be selling here in the orange. But right now we are in blue, so definitely Bitcoin is in a great timing. And of course, as Bitcoin going to rise, all the altcoins also are going to rise with it. So now is the time to buy. Now is the time to be part of this market. So that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and smash up the like button if you like this content. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.